You think fixing your garbage disposal is as simple as reaching in and pulling out whatever's stuck? Think again. One wrong move can cost you hundreds or even send you to the ER. Today, I'm going to show you the #1 garbage disposal repair mistake homeowners make and how to fix it the safe way. You turn on your garbage disposal, and instead of chewing up food scraps, it just hums. You figure, I'll just stick my hand in there. The biggest mistake? Reaching inside without disconnecting the power. Even when the switch is off, a jammed disposal can suddenly free up and spin, and that motor might unexpectedly turn back on if there's an electrical fault. Those blades are sharp enough to cause serious injury. It's like putting your hand in a blender you think is unplugged. Step 1. Unplug it. If you can't find the plug, turn off the breaker that powers the disposal. Step 2. Use the tool that came with your disposal, usually a small hex wrench, insert it into the bottom slot and turn to free the jam. And Step 3. Remove debris with pliers or tongs, never your fingers. Double-check that power is completely off before reaching in. Pro tip: keep a flashlight handy so you can see exactly what's in there, and always test with water running before declaring victory. Once you've cleared the jam, make sure the disposal is running smoothly before you wrap up. Remember, the most expensive repair is the one you make with an injury. Stay safe, and your disposal will serve you for years. Stay smart, stay safe. Subscribe for more home repair tips.